If you've been accruing clutter for the last 10 to 30 years, it's kind of unrealistic to expect it to all be gone in a month. However, with these 5 tips, you can speed up the process to being clutter-free and feel a lot less stressed about this overwhelming process, simply by working smarter, not harder. Stick around, I have a very unconventional bonus tip for you at the end. When I first started my decluttering journey 7 years ago, I didn't even know decluttering was like a thing.
I was just like, I have way too much stuff and I need to get rid of it.
I literally purged random items all over my house. A nail polish here, some papers over there, a drawer in the kitchen. I was doing stuff. I was getting rid of things, the garbage bags and donation boxes were filling, but my home still looked like a cluttered mess. It was definitely not the smartest way to go about it. 0 systems, 0 schedules, it was completely disorganized. All that changed when I actually sat down and created a to-do list. What room am I starting with? Which drawer? How many times a week? What am I doing on days that I'm not decluttering for 30 minutes? Once I created a decluttering to-do list, I was able to not only declutter faster, be more focused, but I actually started to see tangible progress. So to work smarter, not harder, invest the initial few minutes in creating a to-do list. Moving on to strategy number 2. If you want to see an instant transformation of your home, toss the large items first. The mattress up against the wall in the spare bedroom, the random chairs scattered in the living room that no one sits on, heck, even the coffee table that serves no purpose other than to attract the mail and other paper clutter. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Moving on to decluttering smarter strategy number 3. Many people seriously underestimate the value of decluttering 1 to 5 items a day. It's this mindset of decluttering has to be the commitment of time, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and yes, to see larger results, that is true. But most of us can't commit to decluttering 30 minutes every single day. What we can do is commit to tossing 1 to 5 random items a day. 1 item a day is 365 items a year. 5 items a day is 1,825 items in a year, assuming I did the math correctly. And the best part is, this won't take you more than a few seconds. Quick, easy tosses, paper clips, dry pens, old nail polish, dingy dish towel, a broken toy. If you're looking to declutter, you for sure have a ton of stuff around the house. That's an easy toss. So commit to decluttering 1 to 5 items a day, every day. Smarter decluttering strategy number 4. 15 to 30 minutes of focused, intentional decluttering produces results, especially if you stick with your schedule and do it consistently. This will produce more results than sporadically doing an hour. The true essence of smarter, not harder is no marathons, just consistent sprints. It might not seem like much, but if you have speed and momentum, you can declutter 1 to 2 drawers easily. I encourage you to set a timer. Having an end in sight makes the process a more enjoyable experience, and heck, you might want to go past your 15 minutes. Decluttering strategy number 5 is you want to get others to help. The more hands on deck, the faster this process will move. Bribe them if you have to. If those in your home are unwilling, at least invest in an accountability partner who helps keep you on track and motivates you to keep going. This can be a friend, a neighbor, or you can always hire an organization and decluttering coach like me for motivation and support. For more on how we can work together, you can check out the link in the description. And lastly, because you've stayed till the end of the video, I have a really cool bonus tip for you. It might seem a little unconventional. Get angry at your clutter. To achieve a clutter-free home, the most important thing is commitment. We are committed one day and not so much the next. What can help is to get angry at your clutter. Get fired up, get ruthless, and go atomic on that shirt that reminds you of the smaller size you used to be. Get angry at the money you spent on that Lancome product you never used. Get pissed at that bullet you have sitting in your kitchen counter, never having made those healthy smoothies. Sometimes getting angry at your clutter helps give you that motivational push that you need. If you really want to make this year the year you finally declutter your home, creating a decluttering plan is a great first step. For a full tutorial, you can check out this video next. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourself.